Many people suffer from colon's problems that cause them inconvenience, a feeling general fatigue of the body, and create a malfunction in some of the body's systems, and thus they cannot practice their normal lives comfortably. In this video, we will learn about the most important protocols that must be followed to protect the colon from its disease. We will also review some foods that are prohibited to eat to maintain the health of your colon and intestines in general. In addition, we will learn about some healthy diets followed to avoid colon's problems, such as ulcerative colitis and irritable bowel syndrome. If you are one of those who face colon problems and want radical solutions to those problems to enjoy good health for your entire body, this video is for you. So don't miss it and watch it until its end. I promise that you will become your own doctor and will avoid many diseases of the digestive system, especially the colon. Before we start, if you are interested in colon health problems and want scientific solutions, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Common diseases of the colon. There are many common diseases that affect the digestive system, such as esophageal irritation, ulcers, hernia, diverticulitis, ulcerative colitis, irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's, and also SIBO, which is a disease of overgrowth of harmful bacteria in the small intestine. Now, the question that should be asked is, what should you do to avoid getting these diseases, or even being exposed to the problems associated with them? The answer to this question is in two very important strategies. 1. Changing your lifestyle and following healthy diets. 2. Avoid eating everything that irritates the colon and increases its inflammation completely or partially. First, changing your lifestyle and following healthy diets. In fact, there is no immediate treatment for colon diseases, whether ulcerative colitis, Crohn's, or even irritable bowel syndrome. But with some mild and moderate inflammation cases, changing your lifestyle, following a healthy diet, and keeping away from everything that harms or exacerbates colon problems will often lead to recovery from these diseases on the long run. The following are 9 strategies that must be followed in order to add more protection to the colon and give the body the ability to confront serious diseases that may affect it. Those strategies are: 1. Intermittent fasting is very useful in solving many colon problems because it effectively helps improve the body's immune system, as researchers have found that the disorder and dysfunction of the body's immune system is the real reason behind most colon diseases, because in the case of immune system disorders, it attacks the beneficial bacteria and viruses, as well as the cells of the intestinal wall and colon, causing severe damage to the digestive system, especially the colon. Intermittent fasting is by eating small meals over long periods of time. In other words, don't eat food unless you feel hungry, and when eating, don't eat till full, as this helps to relax the colon and raise its efficiency significantly. 2. Exercising, especially walking. You must walk daily for at least an hour, taking into account drinking warm water. This helps the body regulate the peristaltic movement of the colon, prevent the accumulation of waste that causes constipation, and also reduce inflammation. In addition, exercising and taking rest, sufficient sleep helps reduce stress, which is one of the causes of irritable bowel syndrome. 3. Follow healthy diets that are low in starches and rich in healthy fats, such as keto and carnivore diets. Those diets should involve healthy oils, such as olive oil and coconut oil, which are considered powerful antioxidants and rich sources of omega-3. 4. Drinking cabbage juice has proven its great effectiveness in treating colon inflammation and digestive disorders. Some studies have confirmed the positive effect of cabbage juice on many colon patients due to its content of vitamin U. It enhances the recovery process from ulcers and protects the mucus layer of the entire digestive system, as it's considered an anti-erosion factor. Vitamin U is also very useful in cases of colon inflammation, irritation, and some cases of depression. In addition, cabbage juice contains sulforaphane, which is very useful in treating ulcers caused by stomach bacteria, as it's one of the stimulants of the compound NRF2 that cleanses the body of toxins without negatively affecting the ability of the immune system, because it is considered an anti-inflammatory and ineffective antioxidant. 5. It is also important to take some nutritional supplements, such as bile salts and digestive enzymes. This is to enhance the colon's ability to work efficiently. 6. Raising the efficiency of the digestion process by maintaining the level of stomach acid at the required level through consuming apple cider vinegar and lemon, in addition to consuming foods that contain potassium and magnesium. Magnesium and potassium can be obtained together in the form of electrolyte powder, which support healthy and regular peristaltic movement of the intestines, especially the colon. 7. Increase the efficiency of beneficial bacteria by consuming probiotics and sauerkraut, as well as natural antibiotics such as garlic and onions, which have a great effect in eliminating harmful bacteria in the colon. 8. Wheatgrass can provide the same benefits obtained from proteins and vegetables without resorting to fiber or sugars found in vegetables and fruits. Wheatgrass is considered a powerful antioxidant as it expels toxins from the body, enhances gut health, and it is a powerful anti-inflammatory that improves digestion and absorption of food as required. 9. In traditional Indian and Chinese medicine, eating the natural herb berberine is highly recommended for patients of colon diseases, as it fights harmful bacteria, treats diarrhea, reduces inflammation, controls blood sugar levels, and lowers the bad cholesterol in the body. Second, avoid eating anything that irritates the colon and increases its inflammation completely or partially. As we mentioned, the protocols that must be followed to help the body achieve full health, especially colon health, it is also necessary to mention the things and foods that are prohibited to eat to treat colon diseases, which are 1. Completely stop eating all types of foods that can irritate the colon by abstaining from eating grains, legumes, wheat, and anything that contains gluten. 2. Also avoid dairy products because they contain lactose, which is considered as an enemy of irritable bowel syndrome. 3. Also immediately stop eating processed meats and hydrogenated oils, in addition to not eating sugars and all their sources. 4. Completely avoid drinking soft drinks and alcohol. 5. Many people take antibiotics frequently without the necessary need for them, or even without consulting a specialist doctor. But in fact, those antibiotics create many problems and side effects. Write to us in the comments what problems related to the colon or the digestive system in general that you have faced before, and have you dealt with them? Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comments section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.